This hot holy basil chicken is one of the best Thai street food dishes. It is served with a fried egg and a hot dipping sauce. It is delicious, easy and quick to prepare. Here are the ingredients for 4 people. You can find this list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. Remove the skin and the bone from the 4 chicken thighs. Cut them into chunks. Roughly chop them. Remove the leaves from the holy basil sprigs. In Thai, this basil is called Krapow, and the name of this dish is Pad Krapow Gai. If you cannot find it, use some classic Thai basil. Cut 50 grams of long beans in small sections. And the fresh chilies as well. Traditionally, Thai people like to put a lot of chilies in this dish, often a dose that exceeds the bearable. Here I use vegetarian chilies that are not hot at all. Chop 2 garlic cloves. Prepare a small bowl of dipping sauce. Cut some fresh hot chilies. Add 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. Now we can start cooking. Fry 4 eggs one by one. When the oil is hot, put 1 egg. Turn on low heat. When the bottom is golden, pour some oil on top. When the top egg white is cooked, take it out and keep it warm. Put 3 tablespoons of oil, heat it over high heat. When the oil is hot, put the garlic and the chilies. Stir for 5 seconds. Add the chicken. A pinch of salt. One teaspoon of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. Stir from time to time for 3 minutes. Add the beans. Stir for 30 seconds. Add the basil. Briefly stir. Set aside. Put in each guest bowl some jasmine rice, some hot Thai holy basil chicken, 1 egg, Bon appétit! Don't forget to eat with the hot dipping sauce. The flavor of the holy basil is fantastic. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.